In this video, I'll show you a luxury villa in Dehesa de Campoamor with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The house features electric blinds, large panoramic windows, a fully furnished open-plan kitchen, and air conditioning in every room. There is a private swimming pool, 2 spacious terraces, en-suite bathrooms, and parking for 2 cars. The villa is located in a quiet and secure area, just minutes away from Cabo Roig and the Xenia Boulevard shopping center. Bars, restaurants, a supermarket, and a pharmacy are all nearby, and the beach is only 300 meters away. The complex also offers a communal pool, a gated area, and a rear garden. It's just a 2-minute drive to the beach, 10 minutes to the nearest golf course, and about 30 minutes to either Alicante or Murcia airports. This villa is a perfect choice for both permanent living and seaside holidays. The price of this villa is €899,000. If you are interested in this property, feel free to message me on WhatsApp or Telegram at the number shown on the screen. And now, I invite you to join me for a detailed tour of this villa.